In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Wise account in Australia. If you've been looking for a simple, low-cost way to hold and send money internationally, setting up a Wise account is a great place to start. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to wise.com. Make sure you're on the official website by checking the URL and the secure padlock icon in the address bar. This helps you avoid lookalike sites or ads that might lead you elsewhere. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up. If the layout has been updated, it may say Create Account, but it will be in the same general spot and do the same thing. You'll now choose how you want to register. You can enter your email address and create a login, or use a third-party option like Google, Facebook, or Apple. Picking a connected account can make sign-in faster across devices, while using an email is straightforward and keeps things platform agnostic. Whatever you choose, make sure it's an email or account you actively use, since Wise will send important notifications there. Next, choose the type of account you want. Select Personal if you're opening it for yourself to spend, hold, or send money. Select Business if you're setting it up for a company, sole trader, or side hustle. If you're unsure, Personal is usually the right place to start, and you can always explore business options later if needed. Now, select your country and enter the other necessary details. Since we're in Australia, choose Australia from the list. You'll be asked for standard information like your full legal name and your current residential address, and you may see fields for basic contact details. Enter everything carefully and exactly as it appears on your official records. This helps ensure your account works smoothly and prevents delays later. Wise uses these details to set up your profile securely and tailor your experience to Australian settings. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the confirmation screen, and that's it. Your Wise account is created. From here, you can explore your dashboard, view your balances, and get familiar with the interface. As you start using features like sending money or ordering a card, Wise may ask you to verify your identity to keep your account safe and compliant with Australian regulations. Just follow the prompts when you're ready. And there you go. You've opened a Wise account in Australia. If this helped, take a moment to explore the settings so everything is configured the way you like, and you'll be ready to make the most of Wise.